So there's been a lot of hard work done by the construction team here in the tunnel.
Across 26 cross passages and 5 platforms.
We've currently installed over 72 kilometres worth of radiating cable.
Multiple remote units, 5 telecommunications equipment rooms.
And over 100 kilometres worth of optic fibre cable.
We've been constructing this for the last near on 4 years. And all of that has led up to what we're about to do today, the very first phone call from inside the tunnel. Can I order 1 large latte, full cream milk, extra shot and half a sugar? Oh, where exactly? Oh, that's 280 metres from Arden platform and about 900 metres from the Western Portal, or a K from Kensington Station. Yeah, you might want to